Damn. Alexa, turn on garage door. Woo! What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another one on Ubuntu Garage. This is the earliest I have woken up all quarantine, but today we are actually gonna go and meet up with some friends. We're gonna be staying in our cars. Don't worry. Social distancing is important right now, and we just gotta do some car stuff, man. Haven't done car stuff for so long, but yeah, should be seeing Kevin over there, my dude Brian, and some really dope builds. So I'm looking forward to it. We're gonna go to Mount Soledad, and yeah. But before we do that, I took the CRZ out yesterday to go pick up some food, and the rear was rubbing like crazy. So luckily I had ordered some spacers for the rear of the car that it really needs. Right now, if you look at the car, the fitment is perfect. It really is. Look how flush that is. That is perfect. It just rubs like crazy. The rears are 225s and the fronts are 245s, but the fronts don't rub unless I full lock, and the rear rubs all day. So I am still gonna run 225s in the rear on the next set of tires, so I bought 15 millimeter spacers to suck it in 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters is about half an inch. So as you can see from above, it does stick out back here because you can't really do anything about here but trim it. So even if you pull these quarter panels, it won't make enough clearance because this doesn't move. So yeah, look how beat up this tire is though. Overdue for a change, man. No wires are sticking out though, so I just don't want to get a flat or anything and all that stuff. But yeah, I believe it just came in the mail, so let's go open this stuff up. A little messy in here. And this guy is dull. So I have a lot of spacers, but they don't fit good. So I bought these guys, which should be hub centric to the CRZ, and then these should be close to the CE28s. So I did order hub centric spacers to go along with this and be perfectly flush to the CEs, so there'll be no play. But those are still coming in the mail. Hell yeah, let's go get these installed. Good enough. All right, so now I just need my impact, and I'm gonna pop these off, call it good. Rears are super easy because they lock in place, so you don't need to do anything extra except for pull off the old spacers and pop on the new ones. Yep, we're good. Let's see. All right, put the short one on here. Oops. Man, this tire is low. I'll be replacing them here soon. Good morning, neighbors. Before I go any farther, I need to make sure that this even fits on here. All right, so go on just like so. Wow, that's pretty good. No gap. All right, and yes, there'll be no play in those, no wobbles, baby. At least from there, nothing from there. And then once I get the rings for here, it'll be great. Let's go finish this. Just got super lucky because I just happened to find this 21. I knew I had one. Now that we know that fits, do the normal process, clean all the threads, reduce the chance of stripping it out. I do need to repaint these hubs though, repaint the rotor. really nice, man. That's perfect. The perfect center bore. I don't know if that's gonna be too long for this wheel. About to find out. Wow. Okay. It's kind of bummy. I don't got time for that. Well, we ran into a problem, guys. We need to actually cut these studs down, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Yeah, can't. Only have 30 minutes to wash the car. But I am just gonna pop them off and run it without spacers, cause race car. And they don't only do this car good, cause now that the front's wider than the rear, you want that smaller track on a front wheel drive car. On the plus side, I do have these 5mm, so it won't be too sunk. We'll go put these in first and then call it good until I decide if I want to chop those or not. If I chop them, I'm gonna have to replace them if I get proper fitting wheels that don't need spacers. Just gonna go throw the 5mm spacers on, torque everything down, and top to washing the car. Gonna do a quick wash and wipe. All right, guys, that's it. Let's go ahead to this car cruise. We are here. Yo, there's so many Type R's here. Kevin just pulled up. Yaku, where'd your splitter go? I legit just made that thing. Bunch of dope cars though. Dope, dude. A lot of people I haven't seen for a long time. I think that's the new Type R color. That's pretty dope. I don't like his arrow though, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, ton of 10th gen Civics. We're gonna hop out and say what's up to everybody after Jenna puts on her mask. But yeah, super dope setup. Oh, that's the guy that's in Fong's video. The exhaust video right there. Cool. All right, the cleaning today was good enough. All right, we are going to the next spot. I don't know where we're going, so I'm just gonna follow Kevin. Well, right here's Jay, this popular guy. A lot of cars though, so many cars. you know, no big deal, no big deal. But a lot of people. Hopefully this cruise isn't stupid, but I'm about to find out. So don't do no stupid stuff. Honestly, not that cool. Not that cool. But they are BMWs, so it's not a surprise. Get it! Get that stuff! Yeah. Not that cool. Alright guys, so we ended up losing the group just because it was a huge group and we're kind of in the back, so no big deal. We ended up going to Starbucks and grabbing some Mexican food at Coyote Bar and Grill to go, and now we're heading back home. But yeah, today was a super dope day. We got some Starbucks. It's still early. We go knock out some orders. But if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.